Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank all the new subscribers for coming back to the channel. I also want to thank all the other people for keep watching my channel. I greatly appreciate it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, so please like, share, and leave a comment below. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Hello everybody, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little short video today of this little guy right here. So I can tell you a little story about him. So at least that's kind of my goal today. So anyways, as you can see here, you know, he's got a bum wing there. I don't know if you guys can see that very well or not, but it sticks up in the air. He really got hurt when he's coming home from a race one day. So, and the neighbor happened to catch him walking down the road, and the guy I got him from, he said he couldn't figure out what the heck happened to him. He's usually always one of the first birds home, and he's never been late before, and he's never like, what in the heck? So anyways, needless to say, the neighbor called him up and says, I see one of your birds walking down the road. And so he drove down the road and picked him up and found him like this. He had a broken wing. He's still, you know, determined to make his way home here. So, and I'll show you his mate and stuff and show you what it looks like better up close. So hello everybody. I wanted to kind of show you the pair I'm looking forward to seeing how they really do for me. As you can see here, she's a splash. Okay, her mom is actually a 500-mile winner and down in Twin Cities here, so I'm kind of curious to see how she does for me. So I know last year I did raise a couple youngsters off of her, but they did good, but they're, you know, they weren't my top birds. But you know, it's hard to say exactly, but as you can see here, she's got one pintail. Okay, she's a beautiful looking bird. She's made it up to my what they call bum wing. He's got that broken wing. He's the one that raced, was in a race and stuff, and he came home, and on the way home he must have hit a telephone wire or something and broke his wing, and he ended up walking home. So anyways, you know, like I said, as you can see here, she's really good looking bird, you know, nice looking splash. She's got a kind of a pearl eye, no, not a pearl eye, reddish eye. I don't know if you can see that or not, but anyways, here's that bum wing guy I was telling you about. Okay, as you can see here, he holds his wing up really high because he broke his wing. But yeah, he's a beautiful looking bird. You know, as you can see here, he's really good long distance bird. He won quite a few races for the guy I got him from. He had got hurt and stuff. Like I said, he didn't, guy didn't want him anymore. He said he had more than enough, you know, good pliers around in his loft. He didn't need them anymore. So he kind of said, well, if somebody wants them, they can have them. So they actually give them to one of the guys in the club, and then they said I was, you know, since I was fairly new in the club, they kind of passed them on to me. So, and he's a 2014 bird, so he's a beautiful looking bird. I don't know if you guys can see that, but man, he's just gorgeous. And you hold his wing out, and I don't know if you can feel it or not, but you can feel the trembling in that. If you can see that or not in the video there. So, but man, like I said, this wing here doesn't do it as very good, but because he's broken, but it still shakes. But like I said, unbelievable. I can't wait to see how they do for me. Looking forward to see what they do. Let me know what you guys think.